Welcome. Are you frustrated because Gmail isn't downloading your files? Don't worry. Today I'm going to guide you through several effective steps to fix this issue. Let's get started. 1. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix many issues. 3. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings on your device. Select Apps or Application Manager. Find and tap on Gmail. Tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Update the Gmail app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Gmail app installed. You can update it from the Google Play Store. Check app permissions. Go to Settings. Select Apps. Find and tap on Gmail. Tap on Permissions and ensure all necessary permissions are enabled, especially storage permissions. 6. Disable Data Saver and Battery Saver. Go to Settings. Select Network and Internet. Tap on Data Saver and turn it off. Go to Battery and turn off Battery Saver. 7. Reinstall the app. If the above steps don't work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Gmail app. 8. Check for system updates. Make sure your Android system is up to date. Go to Settings System Updates. By following these steps, you'll be back to downloading your files in no time.